Valp is a 100% natural human-grade product. It's a super premium chicken-based dry food for puppies. It contains all the minerals and vitamins required for the growth stage. It will strengthen the bones, teeth and skeleton, enhance the immune system, and it's also ideal for pregnant and nursing dogs. There are 4 ranges of this puppy food. Valp for medium-sized breeds, Valp Mini, which has a higher rate of energy for smaller breeds, Valp Maxi, which is supplemented with chondroitin and glucosamine to support joints, and also taurine to support the heart of large breed puppies, and Valp Digest for sensitive digestive system. For more information, please contact your Husey pet nutritionist or visit our website at husey.co.uk. Husey, healthy food, happy pets.